You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today I am cleaning super late because I have come to realize if I really want to make this whole YouTube thing work, I am just going to have to start cleaning when my littles are sleeping. I love creating content for you guys, but I have been slacking big time. I used to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I just do not have a set schedule anymore. I really want to start posting maybe every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Or let me know in the comments, what days do you guys mostly watch YouTube? Are there certain days? I know for me, it's just randomly. If I get a notification that someone posts a video, I just go on there. But some people, I know they can only go on, when they're not working or, when they have free time. So just let me know your schedule. I would love to set a schedule and start filming and posting regularly. I'm just all over the place right now. I swear, ever since Alexander's been born and I'm breastfeeding, it's just really hard for me to find the time to film and edit. I just love cleaning and getting it done really fast and not having to, move the camera and stuff like that. And plus, let me tell you, your girl has been looking a hot mess ever since he's been born. I am really, I really got that mom vibe going with the messy hair, the cardigan, the coffee. Let me tell you guys, your girl a hot mess. But enough with that. I've been breastfeeding also, and he is the first baby that I have breastfed. So your girl's trying to get used to all that. But your girl's ready to get back in the game. I'm ready to start filming and editing and just having a set schedule. All right, you guys, I'm done talking about that. Let's get into this cleaning video. I hope it motivates you. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you later.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Like, la 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 la. Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings and I need.
I am still trying to figure out how I have so many marks and fingerprints on my TV, you guys. I don't know what is going on. I don't know if my kids are climbing when I'm not looking. Do you guys deal with this stuff? Let me know in the comments.
The death of me, I fear the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known. I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon. she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. La 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 la. Da 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 da. La 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 la.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me, let me waste your time. Set up feet, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up feet. Supper time.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah.
Little Miss Amelia got some marker on the chair, so I am just taking some vinegar, water, and little splash, the littlest amount of Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and yeah, it works great for getting stains out.
Everything feels like yeah. Just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe even in my wildest dreams.
All right, my loves, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it gave you guys some motivation, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Next to me, every